In the previous class, we have studied about volume. The measure of the place occupied by an object in space is called its volume. Let us revise through exercise 84. 1. Fill in the blanks. 1. The measure of the place occupied by an object in space is called its volume. 2. The standard units of length are centimeter and meter. 3. The standard units of area are square centimeter and square meter. 4. The cube whose length, breadth and height are each 1 centimeter has a volume of 1 cubic centimeter. 5. The cube whose length, breadth and height are each 1 meter has a volume of 1 cubic meter. Let us now study about cube. Corners of a cube are called vertices. Cube has 8 vertices: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are the vertices. Cube has 12 edges: segment AB, segment CB, segment GH, segment HE, segment EF, segment BE, segment AF, segment CH. Each edge is perpendicular to 4 other edges. All edges are equal. Cube has 6 faces. They are square in shape. They are square ABCD, square ADGF, square EFGH, square BCHE, square ABEF and square DCHG. The area of all these square faces is equal. Cuboid. The corners of cuboid are called vertices. There are 6 vertices: P, Q, R, S, L, M, N, O. Cuboid has 12 edges: segment PQ, segment PS, segment SR, segment RQ, segment LM, segment MN, segment NO, segment RQ, segment LM, segment MN, segment NO, segment LO, segment RM, segment QL, segment SN, segment PO. Each edge is perpendicular to other 4 edges. The edges are not equal in length. Cuboid has 6 faces. Each face is a rectangle. Rectangular faces opposite to each other have equal areas. Name of faces are rectangle LMNO, rectangle PQRS, rectangle RQLM, rectangle SRNM, rectangle PSNO, rectangle PQLO. Let us solve exercise 85. 1. Give the names of 5 rectangular objects. Answer: tabletop, cupboard, book, matchbox, brick are all rectangular objects. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. Each face of a cub is square. 2. A cuboid has 12 edges. 3. A cube has 6 faces altogether. 4. A cuboid has altogether 8 vertices. 5. The standard units of volume are cubic meter and cubic centimeter. 6. All edges of a cube are of equal length. 3. Answer the question based on figure. 1. Write the names of the vertices. Answer. Names of the vertices are P, Q, R, S, T, W, U, V. 2. Name the edges. Answer. Segment PQ, segment QR, segment RS, segment PS, segment TU, segment VU, segment WV, segment WT, segment PW, segment QT, segment SV, segment RU are the 12 edges. 3. Name the faces. Answer. Square PQRS, square SRVU, square PSVW, square QTER, square WTUV, square PQTW are the faces. 4. To which edges is the vertex R common? Answer. Vertex R is common to segment RQ, segment SR and segment RU. 5. To which edges is vertex W common? Answer. Vertex W is common to segment WV, segment WT and segment WP. 6. At which vertex do the edges PW and WT intersect? Answer. Edges PW and WT intersect at vertex W. 7. Name the face opposite to the square TUVW. Answer. PQSR is the face opposite to square TUVW. Let us look at the volume of cube. Volume of a cube is side into side into side, which is equal to side cube. Example. What is the volume of cubic block having an edge of length 2.6 centimeters? Solution. Volume of a cube is side cube, that is 2.6 into 2.6 into 2.6, which is equal to 17.58 cubic centimeter. Now, let us solve exercise 86. Question 1. The sides of some cubes are given. Find the volume. 1. 26 centimeters. Solution. Volume of cube is side cube. Side is 26 centimeters. Volume is equal to 26 into 26 into 26, which is equal to 1758 cubic centimeters. 2. 3.9 centimeters. Solution. Volume of cube is side cube. Side is 3.9 centimeters. Volume is equal to 3.9 into 3.9 into 3.9, which is equal to 59.32 cubic centimeters. 3. 12.5 centimeters. Solution. Volume of cube is side cube. Side is 12.5 centimeters. Volume is equal to 12.5 into 12.5 into 12.5, which is equal to 1953.13 cubic centimeters. 4. 10.3 centimeters. Solution. Volume of cube is side cube. Side is 10.3 centimeter. volume is equal to 10.3 into 10.3 into 10.3, which is equal to 1092.73 cubic centimeters. 2. How many cubic meters of water can a cube-shaped tank of side 6 meter hold? Solution. Side of a cubic tank is 6 meter. Volume of a cube is side cube. Volume is equal to 6 into 6 into 6, which is equal to 216 cubic meters. Let us now see the total surface area of a cube. Area of a face is surface area. There are 6 faces. Each face is a square. Area of a square is side square. Area of 6 squares is 6 into side square. Total surface area of a cube is 6 into length square units. Example 1. One side of a cube is 8 centimeters. Find the total surface area. Solution. Total surface area is 6 into length square. This is equal to 6 into 8 into 8, which is equal to 384 square centimeters. Example 2. A cube-shaped box has side of 0.5 meter. Find the cost of painting all sides of the box at the rate of Rs 30 per square meter. Solution. Side is 0.5 meter. Total surface area is 6 into 0.5. This is equal to 6 into 0.5 into 0.5, which gives 1.5 square meters. Cost of painting per square meter is Rs 30. Therefore, cost of painting 1.5 square meters is equal to 1.5 into 30, which is equal to 45 rupees. Let us now solve exercise 87. 1. If the side of certain cubes are given, find the surface area. 1. 5 centimeters. Solution. Total surface area is 6 into length square, which is 6 into 5 into 5. This is equal to 150 square centimeters. 2. 7.2 meters. Solution. Total surface area is 6 into length square, which is equal to 6 into 7.2 into 7.2, which is equal to 311.04 square meters. 3. 9.3 centimeters. Solution. Total surface area is 6 into length square, which is 6 into 9.3 into 9.3 equal to 518.94 square centimeters. 2. The side of a cube is 5.5 centimeters. What is its total surface area? Solution. Side is 5.5 centimeters. Total surface area is 6 into length square, which is 6 into 5.5 into 5.5. This is equal to 181.50 square centimeters. 3. What is the volume of the cube whose total surface area is 216 square centimeters? Solution. Total surface area of a cube is 216 square centimeters. Total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into length square, which is equal to 216. Therefore, length square is equal to 216 upon 6, which is equal to 36 centimeters. Hence, length is root of 36, which is equal to 6 centimeters. Volume is length cube, which is 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 216 cubic centimeters. 4. A wooden cube-shaped box has a total surface area of 486 square centimeters. What is its volume? What will it cost to laminate the outer surfaces of this box at the rate of rupees 1.50 per square centimeter? Solution. Total surface area is 486 square centimeters. Total surface area is equal to 6 into length square. 6 into length square equal to 486. Length square is equal to 486 upon 6 equal to 81. Therefore, length is 9 centimeters. Volume is length cube, that is 9 into 9 into 9, which is 729 cubic centimeters. Cost of lamination is 1.50 per square centimeter. Total cost is 1.5 into 486, which is equal to rupees 729. Let us now learn about volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. Example 1. If the length of a cuboid is 3.8 centimeters, its breadth is 4.8 centimeters and height is 2 centimeters. What is its volume? Solution. Length of a cuboid is 3.8 centimeters. Breadth is 4.8 centimeters. Height is 2 centimeters. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 3.8 into 4.8 into 2, which is 36.48 cubic centimeters. Example 2. Length of suitcase is 0.5 meters. Breadth is 0.3 meters. If its volume is 0.03 cubic meters, find its height. Solution. Length is 0.5 meters. Breadth is 0.3 meters. Volume is 0.03 cubic meters. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Therefore, height is equal to volume upon length into breadth, which is equal to 0.03 upon 0.5 into 0.3. This is equal to 0.2 meters. Let us now solve exercise 88. 1. A classroom is 8 meters long, 7 meters broad and 3 meters high. If there are 42 children in the class, what is the average volume of air available to each child? Solution. Length of a classroom is 8 meters, breadth is 7 meters and height is 3 meters. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume of air in classroom is 8 into 7 into 3, which is equal to 168 cubic meter. There are 42 children. Therefore, volume of air available to each child is volume of air upon number of children equal to 168 upon 42, which is 4 cubic meters. 2. A 1.8 kilometers long and 8 meters wide road is to be laid with road metal of 15 centimeters thickness. How many cubic meters of road metal will be required for the purpose? Solution. Length is 1.8 kilometers, which is equal to 1,800 meters. Breadth is 8 meters and length of road is 15 centimeters, which is equal to 0.15 meters. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume of a road metal required is length into breadth into height, which is equal to 1800 into 8 into 0.15. Hence, volume is 2160 cubic meters. 3. How much water will a tank of length 7.5 meters, breadth 2.4 meters and height 3 meters hold? Solution. Length of tank is 7.5 meters, breadth is 2.4 meters, height is 3 meters. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume of a tank is length into breadth into height, which is equal to 7.5 into 2.4 into 3, which is equal to 54 cubic meters. Let us study the total surface area of cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 3 pairs of equal areas. Each face is rectangle of area, length into breadth. 3 pairs of equal faces are 1. Rectangles A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H. Rectangles A, C, H, G and B, D, E, F. Rectangles C, D, E, H and A, B, F, G. Area of A, B, C, D is length into breadth. Area of A, C, H, G, breadth into height, as its length is equal to height of cuboid and breadth is equal to length of cuboid. Area of ABFG is height into length, as its length is equal to height of cuboid and breadth is equal to length of cuboid. Total surface area is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Example 1. Length of cuboid is 10 meters, width is 5 meters and height is 3 meters. Find total surface area. Solution. Length is 10 meters, breadth is 5 meters, height is 3 meters. Total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is equal to 2 into 10 into 5 plus 5 into 3 plus 3 into 10 is equal to 2 into 50 plus 15 plus 30 is equal to 2 into 95 is equal to 190 square meters. Example 2. A cuboid has length 7 meters, width 4 meters and height is 2.5 meters. Find total surface area. Solution. Length is 7 meters, breadth is 4 meters, height is 2.5 meters. Total surface area is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is equal to 2 into 7 into 4 plus 4 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 7. This is equal to 2 into 28 plus 10 plus 17.5, which is equal to 2 into 55.5, which is equal to 111 square meters. Let us solve the sums from exercise 89. 1. A metal trunk is 1.5 meters long, 1.2 meters broad and 1.3 meters high. What is its total surface area? Solution. Length is 1.5 meters, breadth is 1.2 meters, height is 1.3 meters. Total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height equal to 2 into 1.5 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 1.3 plus 1.3 into 1.5 equal to 2 into 1.8 plus 1.56 plus 1.95, which is equal to 2 into 5.31. Thus, total surface area of a cuboid is 10.62 square meters. 2. A tank with a lid has a length of 2.5 meters, breadth 2 meters and height 2.4 meters. How much metal sheet was required for the tank? What was the cost of constructing it at rupees 10 per square meter? How many cubic meter water will it hold? Solution. Length of tank is 2.5 meters. Breadth of tank is 2 meters. Height is 2.4 meters. Metal sheet required is equal to total surface area of tank, which is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height is equal to 2 into 2.5 into 2 plus 2 into 2.4 plus 2.4 into 2.5 equal to 2 into 5 plus 4.8 plus 6 equal to 2 into 15.8, which is 31.6 square meters. Cost of constructing is rupees 10 per square meter. Cost of constructing 31.6 square meters is equal to 31.6 into 10, which is rupees 316. Volume of water in tank is length into breadth into height equal to 2.5 into 2 into 2.4 equal to 12 cubic meters. Let us now solve the sums from problem set 2. Question 1. Find total surface areas of cubes whose sides are as follows. 1. 4.6 centimeters. Solution. Total surface area is equal to 6 into length square. Length of a side of a cube is 6 centimeters. Therefore, total surface area is equal to 6 into 4.6 into 4.6, which is equal to 126.96 square centimeters. 2. 9.6 centimeters. Solution. Total surface area is equal to 6 into length square. Length of a side of a cube is 9.6 centimeters. Therefore, total surface area is equal to 6 into 9.6 into 9.6, which is equal to 552.96 square centimeters. 3. 0.13 centimeter. Solution. Total surface area is equal to 6 into length square. Length of a side of a cube is 0.13 centimeters. Therefore, total surface area is equal to 6 into 0.13 into 0.13, which is equal to 0.1014 square centimeter. Question 2. The length, breadth and height of two cuboids are given. Find their volume. 1. 13 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Solution. Length is 13 centimeters, breadth is 8 centimeters and height is 6 centimeters. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Therefore, volume is 13 into 8 into 6, which is equal to 624 cubic centimeters. 2. 3.1 centimeters, 0.5 centimeters, 0.5 centimeters. Solution. Length is 3.1 centimeters. Breadth is 0.5 centimeters. height is 0.5 centimeters. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Therefore, volume is 3.1 into 0.5 into 0.5, which is equal to 0.775 cubic centimeter. Let us summarize. The standard units of volume are cubic centimeters and cubic meters. Volume of a cube is side cube or length cube cubic units. Total surface area of a cube is 6 into side square or 6 into length square square units. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height square units. We have learned how to find the area of different shapes such as rectangle, square, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, etc. In this chapter, we shall learn how to find the volume and the total surface area of shapes like cylinder, cone, sphere, etc. First, we shall consider a cylinder and learn how to find its volume and the total surface area. Remember, radius can be written as R, volume as V, diameter as D, and circumference as C. What is a cylinder? A cylinder has two plane ends. Each plane end is circular in shape. Each of these sides is known as the base of the cylinder. The remaining surface is curved. This surface is known as the curved surface of the cylinder, and the area of the curved surface is known as the curved surface area. The radius for the cylinder of both the upper base and the lower base will be the same, and the height will be the distance between the two bases. The formula for the volume of the cylinder is area of the base into height. As the base of the cylinder is a circle, its area is pi r square. Hence, the volume of the cylinder is pi r square into height. Remember, first, the value of pi is 22 upon 7, and second, always write the unit for the volume of the cylinder as cubic centimeter or meter as mentioned in the sum. Let us solve the exercise 74 from the textbook. The radius of the base of a cylinder is 5 centimeter and its height is 21 centimeter. What is its volume? Given. Radius r is equal to 5 centimeter. Height h is equal to 21 centimeter. We have to find the volume, that is V. As per the formula, the volume of the cylinder is pi r square into height. That is, the volume of the cylinder is pi into r into height. Substituting, we get volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 upon 7 into 5 into 5 into 21. By reducing, we get volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 into 5 into 5 into 3, which is equal to 1650 cubic centimeter. As said earlier, do not forget to write the unit. Volume of the cylinder is equal to 1650 cubic centimeter. We shall solve the next sum, in which the radius of the base of the cylinder is not given. Instead, the diameter is given along with the height. In such a case, we will first find the radius from the diameter and then find the volume of the cylinder. Radius is half the diameter. 2. The diameter of the base of the cylinder is 14 centimeter and its height is 17 centimeter. What is its volume? Given that the diameter of the base of the cylinder is 14 centimeter and height is 17 centimeter, we have to find the volume of the cylinder. But before finding the volume, we will find the radius of the cylinder, which is half the diameter. Therefore, radius is equal to half into diameter. By substituting, we get radius is equal to 1 upon 2 into 14, which is equal to 7. Therefore, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Using the formula of volume, we can find the volume of cylinder easily. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square into height. Substituting, we get volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 17. Reducing, we get volume is equal to 22 into 7 into 17, which is equal to 2618 cubic centimeter. Volume of the cylinder is equal to 2618 cubic centimeter. 3. The volume of a cylinder is 2512 cubic centimeter and its height is 12.5 centimeter. Find the radius of its base. Take pi as 3.14. Given volume of the cylinder is equal to 2512 cubic centimeter, height is equal to 12.5 centimeter. We have to find the radius. As per the formula, the volume of the cylinder is pi r square into height. As said in the sum, we have to take pi as 3.14. Hence, by substituting, we get 2512 is equal to 3.14 into r into 12.5. 2512 is equal to 39.25 into r into r. The multiplication becomes division when it goes to the other side. Hence, 2512 divided by 39.25 is equal to r into r. By removing the decimal point, we get 2,51,200 divided by 3,925 is equal to r into r. When we carry out the division, we will get 64 is equal to r into r. Therefore, by taking square root, we get r is equal to 8 centimeter. Hence, radius is equal to 8 centimeter. 4. The height of a cylindrical tank is 40 centimeter and its diameter is 70 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. In this sum, we will find the volume as usual and then find the number of liters of water that the tank can hold by dividing the volume by 1000 because 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. Given diameter is equal to 70 centimeter, height is equal to 40 centimeter. We have to find the volume. But before finding the volume, we will find the radius of the cylinder. Radius is half the diameter. Therefore, radius is equal to half into diameter. Substituting, we get radius is equal to 1 upon 2 into 70, which is equal to 35 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to 35 centimeter. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square into height. By substituting, we get volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 upon 7 into 35 into 35 into 40. By reducing, we get volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 into 35 into 5 into 40, which is equal to 1,54,000 cubic centimeter. Volume of the cylinder is equal to 1,54,000 cubic centimeter. Now we will divide the volume by 1000 because 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. Now since 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter, therefore 1,54,000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1,54,000 upon 1000 is equal to 154 liters. Hence, the tank can hold 154 liters of water. Students, you will always get volume in cubic meter or cubic centimeter. Now, if you want to convert these units into liters, you must have volume in centimeters as 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Therefore, if the units in the sums are in meter, then convert them first into centimeters and then solve the sums. So far, we have seen how to find the radius from the diameter. We shall now see how to find the radius when the circumference of the cylinder is given. In such a case, we have to substitute the formula of circumference, that is 2 pi r. Remember that the circumference of a cylinder is 2 pi r. 5. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. What is the volume of the cylinder? Given. Circumference is equal to 132 centimeter. Height is equal to 25 centimeter. You have to find the volume of the cylinder. We require radius for calculating the volume. Hence, we will first find the radius from the circumference by substituting the formula of circumference. The formula of circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Substituting, we get 132 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Multiplying both sides by 7, we get 132 into 7 is equal to 44 into r. Dividing both sides by 44, we get 132 into 7 upon 44 is equal to r. Therefore, r is equal to 3 into 7, which is 21 centimeter. Radius is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we can find the volume using the formula. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square into height. Substituting, we get volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 into 25. Reducing, we get volume of the cylinder is equal to 22 into 21 into 3 into 25, which is equal to 34,650 cubic centimeter. Volume of the cylinder is equal to 34,650 cubic centimeter. 6. The radius of the base of the cylindrical wooden block is 5 centimeter and its volume is 1,100 cubic centimeter. How many discs of radius 5 centimeter and height 2 centimeter can be cut from this block of wood? Given. Radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Volume is equal to 1,100 cubic centimeter. You have to find the height of the cylinder. As per the formula, the volume of the cylinder is pi r square into height. Substituting, we get 1,100 is equal to 22 upon 7 into 5 into 5 into h. Therefore, 1,100 is equal to 22 upon 7 into 25 into h. Multiplying both sides by 7, we get 1,100 into 7 is equal to 22 into 25 into h. Therefore, keeping h on one side, we get h is equal to 1,100 into 7 upon 22 into 25. Solving, we get height is equal to 14 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is equal to 14 centimeter. Now to find how many discs can be cut from this block of wood of radius 5 centimeter and height 2 centimeter, we have to notice the height and the radius of the wooden block as well as the height and the radius of the wooden discs. In our sum, radius of the wooden block is equal to radius of the wooden disc, which is equal to 5 centimeter. We shall only consider the height of the wooden block and the height of the wooden disc. Therefore, the number of discs that can be made is equal to height of the wooden block upon the height of the wooden disc, which is equal to 14 upon 2, which is equal to 7. Hence, 7 discs can be prepared. We shall now learn the surface area of a cylinder. There are two surface areas of the cylinder. One is the curved surface area and the other is the total surface area. The formula of curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, which means 2 into pi into radius into height. The formula of total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. We shall solve the sums based on surface area. Remember, the unit of both the types of area will be square centimeter or square meter. Let us solve exercise 75. 1. The radius of a cylinder is 8 centimeter and the height 35 centimeter. What is the area of its curved surface? Given. Radius is equal to 8 centimeter. Height is equal to 35 centimeter. We have to find the area of the curved surface. As per the formula, the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi rh. Substituting, we get the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 8 into 35. Reducing, we get the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 into 8 into 5, which is equal to 1760 square centimeter. The curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 1760 square centimeter. 2. A cylinder has a height of 1 meter and the circumference of its base is 176 centimeter. How many square centimeter is its total surface area? Given. Circumference is equal to 176 centimeter. Height is equal to 1 meter. As given above, the units of the height and the circumference are not same. First, we shall make the units same. Hence, we shall convert the height from meter to centimeter. Since the height is 1 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, the height will be 100 centimeter. Secondly, we require the radius to find the total surface area. Hence, we will first find the radius from the circumference. Hope you remember the formula of circumference. The formula of circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Substituting, we get 176 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Multiplying both sides by 7, we get 176 into 7 is equal to 44 into r. Dividing both sides by 44, we get 176 into 7 upon 44 is equal to r. Therefore, r is equal to 4 into 7, which is 28 centimeter. Radius is equal to 28 centimeter. As we have the necessary values, we can easily find the total surface area. R is equal to 28 centimeter. H is equal to 100 centimeter. As per the formula, the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Substituting, we get the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28 into the bracket 100 plus 28. That is, the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28 into 128. Reducing, we get the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 into 4 into 128, which is equal to 44 into 4 into 128, which is equal to 22,528 square centimeter. Therefore, the total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 22,528 square centimeter. We shall now consider a sum in which we have to find the height when the total surface area along with the radius of the cylinder is given. 3. The total surface area of a cylinder is 8,448 square centimeter. If the radius of its base is 28 centimeter, what is its height? Given. The total surface area is equal to 8,448 square centimeter. Radius is equal to 28 centimeter. We have to find the height. As per the formula, the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Substituting, we get 8,448 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28 into h plus 28. Reducing, we get 8,448 is equal to 2 into 22 into 4 into h plus 28. That is, 8,448 is equal to 176 into h plus 28. By dividing both sides by 176, we get 8,448 upon 176 is equal to h plus 28. And by solving, we get 48 is equal to h plus 28. Subtracting both sides by 28, we get height is equal to 20 centimeter. That is, height is equal to 20 centimeter. 4. The radius of the base of a cylindrical column of a building is 25 centimeter and its height is 3.5 meter. It costs rupees 15.50 per square meter to paint this column. What will it cost to paint 10 such columns? As we see, the cost of painting the column is rupees 15.50 per square meter. Hence, we need all the units in meter. But in our sum, the radius of the base is in centimeter and the height is in meter. And since the radius is not in meter, we shall convert it from centimeter to meter. As 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, therefore, radius will be 25 upon 100, which is equal to 0.25 meter. Therefore, now we have height is equal to 3.5 meter, radius is equal to 0.25 meter. Therefore, to find the cost to paint 10 columns, we need to find the area of the curved surface. It can be done by substituting the formula. The curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. By substituting, we get the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.25 into 3.5. By reducing, we get the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 into 0.25 into 0.5, which is equal to 5.5 square meter. The curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 5.5 square meter. Let us solve the sum in which only the total surface area of the cylinder is given and the radius and the height of the cylinder is same. 5. The total surface area of a cylinder is 2,464 square centimeter. The radius and the height of the cylinder are equal. Find the radius of the base of the cylinder. Given. Total surface area is equal to 2,464 square centimeter. Radius is equal to height, which is not given, and we have to find it. By substituting the formula, the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Let the radius and the height be x. By substituting, we get 2,464 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into x plus x, which is equal to 2,464 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into x into 2x, which means multiplying x and 2x. Therefore, 2,464 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2x square. Multiplying both sides by 7, we get 2464 into 7 is equal to 2 into 22 into 2x square. Therefore, keeping 2x square on one side, we get 2464 into 7 upon 2 into 22 is equal to 2x square. By reducing, we get 56 into 7 is equal to 2x square. 392 is equal to 2x square. Dividing both sides by 2, 392 upon 2 is equal to x square. Therefore, x square is equal to 196. Hence, x is square root of 196, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Radius of the base of the cylinder is equal to 14 centimeter. Let us learn to find the volume and the total surface area and the curved surface area of the cone. What is a cone? A cone has one circular flat surface and one curved surface. In the figure, segment OA is the height, segment AP is the radius, and segment OP is the slant height of the cone. As there is a right angle formed between the radius and the height of the cone, we can say that the volume of the cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into area of the base into height, which we can say as the volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square h, where r means radius and h means height. Let us solve the sums from exercise 76. 1. Find the volume of the cone of height 7 cm and a base radius of 9 cm. Given height is equal to 7 cm, radius is equal to 9 cm. You need to find its volume. As per the formula, the volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. By substituting, we get the volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 9 into 9 into 7. By reducing, we get the volume of a cone is equal to 1 into 22 into 9 into 3, which is equal to 22 into 27, which is equal to 594 cubic centimeter. Volume of the cone is 594 cubic centimeter. We shall see the sum in which we have to find the radius of the base when the volume and the height of the cone are given. 2. If the height of a cone is 18 centimeter and its volume is 924 cubic centimeter, find the radius of the base. Given height is equal to 18 centimeter, volume is equal to 924 cubic centimeter. You have to find the radius of the base using the formula the volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. Substituting, we get 924 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r square into 18. Reducing, we get 924 is equal to 1 into 22 upon 7 into r square into 6. Multiplying both the sides by 7, we get 924 into 7 is equal to 1 into 22 upon 7 into r square into 6 into 7. 7 from the numerator and denominator gets cancelled on the right hand side. Thus, 924 into 7 is equal to 22 into 6 into r square. Therefore, keeping r square on one side, we get r square is equal to 924 into 7 upon 22 into 6. By reducing, we get r square is equal to 7 into 7. By taking square root, we get r is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of the base of the cone is equal to 7 centimeter. Now let us learn to find the volume of the cone when the slant height of it is given. In such a case, we have to substitute the Pythagoras theorem to find the normal height of the cone. Slant height is written as L. I hope you remember the Pythagoras theorem. As per the theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to the base square plus the height square. After finding the normal height, we can substitute the same in the formula of the volume of the cone to find its volume. 3. Find the volume of a cone-shaped figure if its base has a radius of 7 cm and its slant height is 25 cm. Given radius is equal to 7 cm, slant height is equal to 25 cm. You have to find the volume. Here we substitute the Pythagoras theorem to find the normal height of the cone. Thus, the hypotenuse square is equal to the base square plus the height square, which means the slant height square is equal to the radius square plus the normal height square. By substituting, we get 25 square is equal to 7 square plus height square, that is, 625 is equal to 49 plus height square. Therefore, keeping 8 square on one side, we get height square is equal to 625 minus 49. Hence, height square is equal to 576. By taking square root, we get, that is, h is equal to 24 centimeter. Hence, height of the cone is 24 centimeter. Now we can easily find the volume of the cone taking height as 24 centimeter and radius as 7 centimeter. As per the formula, the volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. By substituting, we get the volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 24. By reducing, we get the volume of a cone is equal to 1 into 22 into 7 into 8, which is equal to 1232 cubic centimeter. Volume of a cone is 1232 cubic centimeter. 4. The volume of a cone is 9856 cubic centimeter. If the diameter of its base is 28 centimeter, what is its height and its slant height? Given volume is equal to 9856 cubic centimeter. Diameter is equal to 28 centimeter. We have to find the height and the slant height of the cone. In this sum, we will first find the radius from the diameter as we require it in our formula. Radius is half of the diameter. Therefore, radius is half of 28, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Hence, radius is 14 centimeter. Now we have to substitute the formula of volume to find the normal height. The volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. By substituting, we get 9856 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 into h. By reducing, we get 9856 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 into 14 into 2 into h. Multiplying both sides by 3, we get 9856 into 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 into 14 into 2 into h into 3. Cancelling 3 on the right hand side from the numerator and the denominator, we get 9856 into 3 is equal to 44 into 14 into h. Therefore, keeping h on one side, we get h is equal to 9856 into 3 upon 44 into 14. By reducing, we get height is equal to 16 into 3 which is equal to 48 centimeter. Height of the cone is equal to 48 centimeter. We have also been told to find the slant height. So, we shall substitute the Pythagoras theorem. Slant height square, which means the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle, is equal to the radius square plus the normal height square, which means slant height square is equal to 14 square plus 48 square. Hence, slant height square is equal to 196 plus 2304, which is equal to 2500. Now taking square root we get which is equal to 50 centimeter. Hence, slant height of the cone is equal to 50 centimeter. We shall now learn the surface area of a cone. Again, there are two surface areas of the cone. One is the curved surface area and the other is the total surface area. The formula of curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL, which means pi into radius into the slant height. And the formula of total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r into L plus r, which means pi into radius into the slant height plus radius. Let us solve question 1 from exercise 77. 1. The slant height of a cone is 10 centimeter and the radius of the base is 7 centimeter. What is the curved surface area? Given slant height is equal to 10 centimeter, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find the curved surface area of the cone. As per the formula, the curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL. By substituting we get the curved surface area of a cone is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 10. By reducing we get the curved surface area of a cone is equal to 22 into 10, which is equal to 220 square centimeter. Area of the curved surface of the cone is 220 square centimeter. 2. The slant height of a cone is 9 centimeter and the radius of the base is 7 centimeter. Find the curved area of the cone and its total surface area. Given slant height is equal to 9 centimeter, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find the curved surface area of the cone and the total surface area of the cone. As per the formula of the curved surface area, the curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL. By substituting we get the curved surface area of a cone is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 9. By reducing we get the curved surface area of a cone is equal to 22 into 9, which is equal to 198 square centimeter. Area of the curved surface of the cone is 198 square centimeter. As per the formula of the total surface area, the total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r into L plus r. By substituting we get the total surface area of a cone is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into whole 9 plus 7. By reducing we get the total surface area of a cone is equal to 22 into 16, which is equal to 352 square centimeter. Area of the total surface of the cone is equal to 352 square centimeter. 3. The height of the cone-shaped tent is 10 meter and the radius of its base is 24 meter. What is its slant height? How much canvas is required to make the tent? Pi is equal to 3.14. Given height is equal to 10 meter, radius is equal to 24 meter, slant height is equal to question mark. Curved surface area is equal to question mark. In this sum, we will first find the slant height. Then using it in the formula of the curved surface area, we will find the canvas required to make the tent. For slant height square is equal to the radius square plus the height square. Slant height square is equal to 24 square plus 10 square. Slant height square is equal to 576 plus 100. Slant height square is equal to 676. By taking square root, we get the slant height is equal to 26 meter. Hence, slant height of the cone is equal to 26 meter. Now we have to find the curved surface area. For curved surface area, the curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL. Substituting, we get the curved surface area of a cone is equal to 3.14 into 24 into 26, which is equal to 1959.36 square meter. Hence, canvas required is equal to 1959.36 square meter. Now, let us learn about the volume and surface area of the sphere. Let us begin with the volume of the sphere. The formula for the volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Let us solve the sum 1 from exercise 78. 1. The radius of a sphere is 30 centimeter. What is the volume of the sphere? Given. Radius is equal to 30 centimeter. You have to find the volume of the sphere. As per the formula, the volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. By substituting, we get the volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 30 the whole cube, which means the volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 30 into 30 into 30. By reducing, we get the volume of the sphere is 4 into 3.14 into 10 into 30 into 30, which is equal to 1,13,040 cubic centimeter. Hence, volume of a sphere is equal to 1,13,040 cubic centimeter. Now we shall solve the sum in which we have to find the radius of the sphere when the volume is given. 2. The volume of a sphere is 36,000 pi cubic centimeter. What is its radius? Given. Volume of the sphere is equal to 36,000 pi. We have to find the radius. As per the formula, the volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. By substituting, we get 36,000 pi is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into r cube. Keeping r cube on one side, we get r cube is equal to 36,000 pi into 3 upon 4 into 1 upon pi. Therefore, r cube is equal to 36,000 into 3 upon 4. Therefore, r cube is equal to 27,000. By taking cube root, we get r is equal to 30 centimeter. Hence, radius is equal to 30 centimeter. Now we shall learn to find the surface area of the sphere. The formula to find area of the sphere is very simple. The surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. It means the surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 into pi into r square. Let us solve question 1 from exercise 79. If the radius is 7 centimeter, find the surface area of the sphere. R is equal to 7 centimeter. As per the formula, the surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. By substituting, we get the surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. Reducing, we get the surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 into 22 into 7. Therefore, the surface area of the sphere is equal to 22 into 28, which is equal to 616 square centimeter. The surface area of the sphere is equal to 616 square centimeter. Now, let us learn to find the radius of the sphere when the surface area is given. 2. If the surface area of a sphere is 616 square centimeter, find its radius. Given, surface area is equal to 616 square centimeter. We have to find the radius of the sphere. In this sum, we will substitute the formula of the surface area of the sphere and then we will solve the equation formed to find the radius of the sphere. The surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. By substituting, we get 616 is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into r square. Multiplying both sides by 7, we get 616 into 7 is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into r square into 7. That is, 4312 is equal to 88 into r square. Multiplying both the sides by 88, we get r square is equal to 4312 upon 88. Hence, r square is equal to 49. By taking square root, we get r is equal to 7 centimeter. Hence, radius of the sphere is equal to 7 centimeter.